Hello again, YouTube. I know this is right after I did this electric, but I'm gonna do a paper napkin test with this Hoover Convertible. Now, I do have some paper napkins. I went and grabbed some. I'm gonna show you just how powerful this machine really is. My sister's crap covered in dust. Well, here's one of them. I'm gonna tear this up just to be on the safe side. This Hoover is really powerful. It's like a Hoover Conquest, but it's not. I think it was like maybe one before in the decade 80 was invented. Well, I know it was because it has a plastic power switch. Sorry if you had to see the things, the stuffed toys. My sister left them. I really don't like approving of things like that because I'm not a woman. She is gonna be 16 this year and she's still into that crap. But let's get back to the whole point of this video. Now, I have the paper napkins all over, and let's show you how good it works. This will pick them up right off the carpet. Well, it did. It picked it right up. Now, after I get done doing that, I always check this unit in here. Make sure nothing got stuck, and as you can see, nothing got stuck. Well, except for this little piece, but that's only one. It picked it all right up. It picked that right up. That's how powerful this is. Now, we can pick this one up, make sure it goes in. Now, on the floor, it will still do it. Now, let's see how it did with that one. That piece of paper napkin, I doubt it's still in there, and it's not. This is so powerful. I'd say this is a commercial vacuum. Well, it kind of is, because it has a... Let me get something better. My old school slide whistle. Metal fan. Commercial. Unlike the sanitaires, the newer ones, this one has a metal fan. The newer, not really commercial Eureka sanitaires, or it's either Eureka or Electrolux sanitaires. They have a plastic top. Well, this one does too. Plastic top, but the newer sanitary vacuums are more cheaper made. Now let's get this unplugged, and unfortunately I am running out of time on my SD card because my phone camera is crap. I do have the cover for that switch, but it won't stay on anymore. It's falling off. It falls off a lot and almost got sucked up. But this is it right here. As you can see, this switch is like on a little Dirt Devil handbags. And this is supposed to go right on it like that. But you can see it's easy for it to come off. These little teeth in here are supposed to keep it on. But there we have it. Hoover Convertible's true power. And again, you know what I want you to do, so I don't need to say it no more. Bye.